Hey everyone, Gus is here. Today I'm going to show you 4 ways to move files between Kali and a target machine during a pen test. We'll cover SCP, netcat, Python's built-in web server, and updog. Each one fits a different situation. Let's jump in. First, SCP. If you already have SSH credentials on the target, this is the cleanest path. The syntax is simple. SCP, the local file, then user at host : path. I'll push payload.sh to the target's TMP directory. Type the password and we're done. Encrypted by default runs straight over SSH. The catch? You need working credentials on the box. Method 2, netcat. No SSH, no auth, just a raw TCP transfer. On the target, I have a listener running with netcat-lvnp on port 4444, redirecting incoming bytes into received.sh. Now, from Kali, I send the file with netcat to that same address and port, piping payload.sh in. The transfer happens silently, and the file lands on the other side. Quick and dirty. Perfect when SSH isn't on the table. Method 3, Python's built-in http.server. This is my go-to for pulling tools onto a target. From the directory holding my payloads, I run python 3-m http.server on port 8000. Kali starts serving every file in that folder over plain HTTP. On the target, I just wget the file by IP and port. Done. Works on any box with Python installed, and that's almost all of them. And here's what the target sees when they hit that address in a browser. Plain directory listing. Every file in the Kali folder clickable. Click any link to download or run wget against the same URL from a shell. Bare bones, but it works on every box with Python. Last one, updog. Updog is Python http.server's flashier cousin. Same idea, but with a clean web interface and a built-in upload form. I install it once with pip3 install updog. Then I run updog -- port 9290, and from a browser on the target, I point at that IP and port. I can download anything hosted in the folder or drag and drop a file to upload back to Kali. Best of both directions. Here's what the target sees in the browser. The loot folder files are listed. Click any one to download. The upload form up top is the bonus over Python's plain server. Drag a file in and it lands right back on Kali. That's the bi-directional flow you can get from http.server alone. That's the 4. SCP when you have SSH, netcat for raw transfers, Python's HTTP server when you need quick web hosting, and updog when you want an upload form too. Each has its place. Pick the right tool for the situation. If you got value from this, hit like and subscribe. More pen testing walkthroughs coming. I'll catch you in the next one.